Have you ever looked down at your hands and noticed how dry, rough, or wrinkled they've become? Especially during the colder months or after frequent hand washing. Many people experience hands that feel older than the rest of their body. They may be red, cracked, itchy, or simply lacking the youthful softness they once had. The good news is that there are natural and effective ways to restore the health and beauty of your hands, and today we'll explore one of the most powerful remedies, along with the science behind why it works. Hands are exposed to more environmental stress than most parts of the body. They are constantly in contact with water, soaps, cleaning products, and surfaces that carry bacteria. Unlike the face, which many people protect with sunscreen and moisturizers, hands are often overlooked. Over time, this leads to dryness, wrinkles, and an aged appearance. Another important factor is nutrition. What we put inside our bodies directly reflects on the outside. Deficiencies in key vitamins, excess consumption of processed carbohydrates, and unhealthy oils accelerate oxidation, essentially the rusting process of our tissues. When the body is under oxidative stress, the skin becomes more fragile, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles. Many people try to solve hand dryness by applying store-bought lotions or creams. Unfortunately, most conventional products contain petroleum-based ingredients such as mineral oils, solvents, or synthetic chemicals. Research shows that around 22% of personal care products on the market are petroleum-derived. The issue is that these substances do not nourish the skin. Instead, they strip away fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for skin hydration and repair. Without these nutrients, hands become even drier, redder, and itchier. Over time, they may develop painful cracks that take longer to heal. Additionally, what you apply to your skin doesn't simply vanish. It penetrates through pores, enters the bloodstream, and eventually passes through the liver. That means harmful substances in skincare products can contribute to toxic load inside the body. For this reason, choosing safe, nutrient-rich remedies is critical not only for skin health but for overall well-being. Tap water chemicals. Fluoride and chlorine, common in municipal water, can be harsh on the skin. Taking frequent showers in unfiltered water exposes your entire body, not just your hands, to these irritants. Using a shower filter can reduce this burden. Overwashing. In recent years, frequent hand washing and sanitizing have become habits for many people. While necessary for hygiene, this constant stripping of oils damages the skin barrier. Work-related exposure. People who handle soil, clay, or solvents often develop extremely dry, cracked hands. These substances not only remove moisture but also deplete vitamins, leaving skin raw and inflamed. pH imbalance. The skin's natural pH is acidic, between 4 and 4.5. If products or chemicals raise the pH toward alkaline levels, the skin swells, becomes inflamed, and loses its protective function. What many people don't realize is that the skin is home to thousands of friendly microbes. On the hands alone, there are about 14 species of beneficial fungi, along with countless bacteria. This community is known as the microbiome, and it plays a vital role in protecting us from harmful pathogens. These microbes live in a symbiotic relationship with us. They help defend the skin, produce vitamins, and maintain a balanced environment. In return, we provide them with a place to live. However, when the skin is stressed, through harsh chemicals, antibacterial products, or disrupted pH, the microbiome suffers. In some cases, non-pathogenic microbes can even turn harmful in stressful conditions. Supporting a healthy microbiome is therefore key to youthful, resilient hands. Rather than killing all microbes with harsh sanitizers, it is better to nourish the friendly ones so they can thrive and protect us. Your hands, and your skin in general, are reflections of your internal health. A diet high in refined sugar, white flour, and processed vegetable oils accelerates aging by causing oxidative damage. These foods also increase inflammation, which shows up externally as redness, irritation, and premature wrinkles. Two of the most powerful strategies for slowing skin aging include reducing refined carbohydrates. Less sugar and processed flour means lower oxidative stress. Intermittent fasting. Allowing the body periods of rest from constant eating improves repair processes, supports skin cell turnover, and slows down aging. Combined with nutrient-rich foods, these practices create an internal environment that supports healthy, youthful skin. To restore and maintain youthful, soft hands, there are two main objectives. Avoid what damages the skin. Stop using petroleum-based products, wear gloves when handling soil or chemicals, and limit exposure to harsh soaps and water. Replenish and nourish the skin. Supply the hands with fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, and healthy fats that restore elasticity, hydration, and resilience. Now let's explore one of the most effective home remedies for hand dryness and wrinkles. This method uses only 3 natural ingredients: safe, nutrient-rich, and proven to support skin health. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, rich in vitamins A, D, E, K, omega-3 fatty acids, lecithin, and choline. 1 teaspoon raw honey, preferably Manuka honey with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants. Why these ingredients work? The egg yolk delivers fat-soluble vitamins that most commercial lotions strip away. It softens skin, supports healing, and provides essential nutrients. Honey not only moisturizes but also feeds the skin's microbiome. Its natural sugars allow beneficial microbes to thrive, while its antimicrobial properties keep harmful pathogens in check. Olive oil locks in moisture, helps transport vitamins into the skin, and protects against oxidative stress. How to use it? Place the egg yolk in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth blend. Apply the mixture generously to your hands. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Rinse gently with lukewarm water, but avoid harsh soaps. For best results, use this treatment twice per week, ideally before bed. This way, your hands can heal overnight without being washed immediately. After just 1 treatment, many people notice their hands feel softer, smoother, and more hydrated. With consistent use, fine lines and wrinkles become less visible, redness decreases, and skin regains its youthful glow. More importantly, this remedy doesn't just mask dryness, it nourishes the skin and microbiome at a deeper level. Practical tips for long-term hand health. Wear gloves when gardening, cleaning, or handling harsh materials. Use natural soaps that are gentle and pH balanced. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day. Eat nutrient-dense foods such as leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds to support internal skin health. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, as they accelerate skin aging. Consider shower filters to reduce chlorine and fluoride exposure. Your hands tell a story about your health, your habits, and your lifestyle. While external remedies like this simple 3-ingredient mask can provide remarkable improvements, the most lasting changes come from combining external care with internal nutrition. By avoiding harmful products, protecting your skin, feeding your microbiome, and nourishing your body from the inside out, you can restore softness, reduce wrinkles, and keep your hands looking youthful for years to come. So next time you notice dryness or wrinkles on your hands, don't just reach for another store-bought lotion. Instead, try this natural remedy and support your body's own ability to heal and renew itself. This is Health for You, bringing you science-based, practical tips to help you live healthier, longer, and more confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others who want to keep their hands looking and feeling their best.